In 2013, Explorer 1 accomplished a noteworthy achievement by becoming the first human-made space apparatus to enter interstellar space, completing this feat 36 years after leaving Earth. The ongoing observatory is now 14.5 billion miles from Earth, causing messages to take around 20 hours and 33 minutes to be sent and received. NASA specialists did not expect Explorer 1 to continue space exploration for more than 6 months, but the vehicle exceeded expectations by discovering 500 unknown objects in space. Now, world-famous podcaster Joe Rogan has joined the conversation to share the unbelievable results of this phenomenal discovery. What are these mysterious objects? Are they connected to aliens or a malfunctioning plane? Join us as we explore how Explorer 1 identified 500 unknown objects floating in space and uncovered Joe Rogan's incredible findings. Have you ever wondered why, despite the universe's unfathomable vastness, we do not seek genuine evidence of alien civilizations? This issue is called the Fermi paradox, and it has intrigued researchers for decades. However, a recent discovery in the depths of space has surprised scientists and may shed light on the age-old question of whether aliens exist. Joe Rogan, a specialist and podcaster known for discussing aliens and the probability of extraterrestrial civilizations, has recently hosted guests like David Grush and other researchers on the possibility of life beyond Earth. Now, new data from Explorer may first be the key to answering the question of whether we are truly alone in the universe. Buckle up as Joe Rogan explains why Explorer 1's announcement that it has identified 500 objects traveling through space is a game-changer and what it can mean for you, no matter where you are in the world. But before we get to the fun part, let's understand how Explorer 1's mission happened. Isn't it amazing to think that our brilliant world, with its vast seas and towering mountains, is just a small part of the greater universe? Scientists have pondered this for a very long time, yet it wasn't until the 1970s that NASA researchers had the opportunity to figure out the size of our enormous local area. Everything started with the startling combination of the 4 largest planets in the planetary group: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Amidst this divine dance, a clinical student named Gary Flandreau, who worked part-time at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory while studying at Caltech, made an extraordinary discovery by carefully calculating and plotting the orbital paths of the giant planets. Flandreau found a phenomenon overhead that would revolutionize space exploration. Flandreau's findings were downright inspiring. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, these 4 planets were followed in a fascinating alignment, like pearls in a vast necklace with Earth among them. This discovery excited NASA because it offered a unique opportunity to improve space travel by using the gravitational assists available from each planet. A spacecraft could propel itself forward using a force like the pull of invisible cosmic strings. Flandreau's predictions suggested that gravitational assists from the giant planets could reduce the flight time between Earth and Neptune from a daunting 30 years to just 12 years. However, there was a catch. This brilliant alignment occurs only once every 176 years. Recognizing the significance of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, NASA embarked on a mission to explore the planets. 2 spacecraft, Explorer 1 and Explorer 2, were built with the same design and mission, launched 15 days apart in the summer of 1977. The twin explorers aimed to uncover the mysteries of the solar system and beyond. Explorer 1 was launched on September 5th, 1977, and became a critical piece of the Explorer program, a testament to humankind's curiosity and quest for knowledge. For nearly 50 years, this incredible rocket has continued to travel, bringing valuable data back to Earth via NASA's Deep Space Network. It has become our eyes and ears in the vastness of space, bridging the gap between our known world and the unexplored beyond. While marveling at Explorer 1's staggering journey, it's important to remember that it's just a breath away from Earth. As of August 2023, the observatory is an astounding 14.5 billion miles from our planet. Carefully designed and built by the brilliant minds at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory and powered by the Titan III launch vehicle, it began its adventure from Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. Just when you think you've seen it all, reality emerges. Now, let's take a deeper dive into this astounding undertaking of 500 unknown objects floating around in space and the fascinating explanation Joe Rogan recently gave on the Joe Rogan Experience. How did Explorer 1 arrive in interstellar space? Imagine a space pilgrim wandering into the great unknown and conquering the vastness of deep space in just a decade. That's Explorer 1 for you. This bold space apparatus is now an extraordinary 14.5 billion miles from our planet. Pause for a moment to ponder this distance. It's equivalent to traveling around 3.6 times the length from Earth to the Sun in 1 year. Yet there's more to Explorer 1 than speed, distance, and longevity. It also made a major revelation, discovering 500 unknown objects hidden in the vast expanse of space. This finding is unlike anything we have seen or explored before. It is a treasure trove of cosmic mystery and wonder, and we are about to disclose the details of this discovery. You may wonder how a spacecraft launched in 1977 is still operational and providing such exciting information. The answer lies in the brilliant engineering and vision that went into Explorer 1's design. One of the main secrets to its longevity is the presence of 2 backup computers. Explorer 1 and its twin, Explorer 2, are equipped with 2 computer subsystems, the Flight Data Subsystem and the Attitude and Articulation Control Subsystem. This redundancy is an intelligent move that ensures the flexibility of systems and the ability to activate computer components when needed, extending their lifespan. The computer system on the Explorer spacecraft is designed as a distributed system consisting of 3 dual redundant computers. This clever planning ensures that even if one of the systems fails, the others can handle the mission seamlessly, preventing the primary objectives from being compromised. To make the most of limited power consumption, Explorer 1's electronics rely on wired logic. These computer systems are designed with complex algorithms that operate within energy budgets and time constraints. Power management during spacecraft development was a crucial factor in maintaining operational integrity. Explorer 1's distance from the Sun poses a significant challenge to its ability to harness solar energy effectively. To maximize energy efficiency, specialists had to find innovative ways to optimize energy use. One such strategy involves prioritizing power for critical processes. Specialists carefully examined parts or subsystems that were unnecessary for the mission. For example, the heaters of several scientific instruments were disabled. These heaters were designed to ensure that the equipment was kept at a certain temperature for effective operation. When switched off, they reduce energy consumption, extending the overall service life of the spacecraft. However, decisions about power management for critical processes are not taken lightly. It involves a comprehensive analysis of trade-offs between energy savings and mission objectives. Specialists work closely with researchers to ensure that removing certain functionalities does not compromise the quality and usability of scientific data. The goal is to strike a balance that maximizes energy efficiency while maintaining critical performance. Explorer 1's power management system can adapt to changing conditions. As the spacecraft moves away from the Sun, solar energy decreases. However, Explorer 1 adjusts its power consumption accordingly, ensuring sufficient resources to support critical operations and data transmission. It's like having a smart energy saver on board. Over the years, significant technological advances and improvements have been made in power management. Engineers continue to refine Explorer 1's power usage through enhancements such as increased power delivery, improved battery charging systems, and refined electrical and thermal management. Thanks to these effective energy management strategies, Explorer 1 has exceeded all expectations. Almost half a century after its launch, it continues to provide crucial insights. Considering that this spacewalk was first conducted just a few years ago, its longevity is truly remarkable. It speaks volumes about the dedication and ingenuity of the scientists and engineers who worked tirelessly on Explorer 1. But let's not forget, the depths of space are full of surprises. So stay tuned because more discoveries are coming. Designed to explore the vastness of the solar system and beyond, the Explorer mission is equipped with an impressive array of electron instruments and systems. These instruments were nestled into the spacecraft's fuselage, consisting of 65,000 individual parts. Although Explorer 1 began its interstellar journey with an assortment of functional devices, only 4 remain operational on Explorer 1 and 5 on Explorer 2. One of the enduring instruments on board Explorer 1 and Explorer 2 is the low-energy charged particle instrument. This device features 3 sets of particle sensors that measure the number and speed of low-energy particles hitting it, eagerly observing cosmic radiation and detailing the sun, planets, and interstellar space. A companion instrument, the Cosmic Ray Instrument, actively searches for high-energy particles from the sun and other cosmic sources. Cosmic radiation instruments now detect materials emitted from the vast interstellar space and the protective bubble formed by the sun's influence. These readings were crucial in determining when Explorer 1 entered interstellar space. It is significant that the device is still operational on both Explorer 1 and Explorer 2. Including 2 long antennas at right angles to each other, the plasma wave subsystem is a fundamental tool for measuring the electromagnetic field of potentially unseen exoplanets. However, its role evolved as Explorer 1 entered interstellar space. Today, the device provides information on how plasma waves change as they travel through space. Besides, magnetometer measurements have a significant impact. Initially designed to study the magnetic fields of outer planets, the magnetometer now plays a crucial role in investigating the transition zone between the Earth's inner layer and the outer layer of the solar system. This transition zone, called the heliopause, marks the boundary where the solar wind, an endless stream of charged particles from the sun, meets the cold breeze of interstellar space. By studying this region, Explorer 1 has provided critical insights into the structure of the heliopause and its interactions with the surrounding environment. This deepens our understanding of the magnetic fields that play a vital role in the solar system. The remaining functional instruments on board Explorer 1 and Explorer 2 continue to generate valuable scientific data, even after decades of continuous operation. These instruments are meticulously calibrated to maintain accuracy and precision in their measurements. This ensures that researchers receive reliable information to further our understanding of the universe. After almost half a century in space, it is truly remarkable that these instruments still work. Their endurance is a testament to the ingenuity of the scientists and engineers who built them. They play an important role in our ongoing exploration of the solar system and beyond. Imagine an event so significant that it would forever change the course of human history. Joe Rogan explains the meaning of the 500 unidentified objects in space discovered by Explorer 1. Renowned scientist and author Carl Sagan once said, "The universe is a pretty big place. If it's just us, it seems like an awful waste of space." This statement captures the essence of humanity's fascination with the idea of extraterrestrial life and the possibility of discovering other civilizations in the universe. The discovery of these 500 unidentified objects has sparked excitement and curiosity in the scientific community and the general public. It is a moment that challenges our understanding of the universe and its inhabitants. It opens new possibilities and questions. Joe Rogan, a passionate advocate for exploring the unknown and understanding the vastness of space, has shed light on the significance of these objects. In a recent episode of the Joe Rogan Experience, he delved into the details of this monumental discovery, inviting experts and researchers to share their insights and theories. According to Rogan, the identification of these 500 objects is a game-changer in the search for extraterrestrial life. While the exact nature of these objects is still under investigation, their discovery hints at the possibility of advanced civilizations beyond our solar system. Scientists are now tasked with analyzing the data collected by Explorer 1 and further exploring these objects to uncover their true nature. One of the most intriguing aspects of this discovery is the diversity of the objects detected. The 500 unknown objects vary in size, shape, and composition. Some of them exhibit unusual characteristics that defy conventional explanations. This has led to a range of theories, from the presence of advanced technology to natural phenomena that are yet to be understood. Rogan emphasizes the importance of keeping an open mind and exploring all possibilities. He acknowledges that the discovery of these objects is just the beginning of a long and challenging journey. Researchers will need to employ advanced techniques and technologies to study these objects in greater detail and unravel their mysteries. The implications of this discovery are profound. If these objects are indeed remnants of advanced civilizations, it would mean that we are not alone in the universe. It would revolutionize our understanding of life, intelligence, and our place in the cosmos. The search for extraterrestrial life has always been driven by the desire to answer fundamental questions about our existence and the potential for other intelligent beings. Rogan also highlights the need for international collaboration in this endeavor. The exploration of space and the search for extraterrestrial life are global endeavors that require the collective efforts of scientists, engineers, and researchers from around the world. Sharing data, resources, and expertise will be crucial in making significant progress in this field. While the discovery of these 500 unknown objects is an exciting milestone, it also raises new challenges and questions. How can we effectively communicate with potential extraterrestrial civilizations? What ethical considerations should guide our interactions with them? How will this discovery impact our society, culture, and future exploration plans? These are complex issues that will require careful consideration and thoughtful deliberation. Joe Rogan's exploration of these topics provides a platform for meaningful discussions and insights. As the world grapples with the implications of this discovery, Rogan encourages us to embrace the unknown with curiosity and wonder. The journey of exploration and discovery is far from over, and the future holds endless possibilities. In conclusion, the discovery of 500 unidentified objects in space by Explorer 1 is a monumental achievement that has captured the imagination of people worldwide. Joe Rogan's insights and discussions on this topic provide valuable perspectives on the significance of this discovery and its potential impact on our understanding of the universe. As we continue to explore the cosmos and search for answers, the discovery of these objects serves as a reminder of the vastness and complexity of the universe and our ongoing quest to uncover its mysteries.